The Produce shows usually focus on large amounts of trainees. So Produce 101, which was their first version, had 101 trainees from different companies. So it was a multi-company show, which means a bunch of different entertainment companies send their trainees to this show to compete. So there's like, here are these girls that we kind of like and want to do well. Take them and compete them.
I'm getting like the heebie-jeebies just from you talking about this. Like I have like goosebumps right now because
Yeah,
this is so like icky to me.
talking about it in a sense of like outside of actual K-pop is very weird, but saying it out loud and I'm like talking through it and I'm realizing how deranged I sound.